Sorry, your order is unsuccessful due to invalid voucher. Please try again without voucher. Reasons. Why am I not able to place an order? Check that voucher applied is valid, and eligibility criteria has been met. Try removing the voucher and pay again. It is possible that there is something wrong with the payment method that you are using. Here are some tips that you can take. Log out and log in to your account again. Restart your device. Clear cookies and cache for desktop user. Reinstall the Lazada app for mobile users. Here are some possible reasons on why you were not able to place an order. 1. Due to high volume traffic. Due to high traffic, you may encounter an error when making payment. We advise you to try again in a few minutes. 2. There is an issue with your current payment method. It is possible that there is something wrong with the payment method that you are using, or you are trying to use an overseas card. Please try the following. For credit or debit card users, we recommend using a different card. To add a new card, please go to Account, My Payment Options, Add Credit, Debit Card. Alternatively, you may use your Lazada wallet or DBS Payla to make payment. 3. There is an issue with voucher. The voucher that you have applied may be invalid, or you did not meet the eligibility criteria for the voucher. Try removing the vouchers that you applied and pay again. 4. Unusual activity detected on your account. Your payment may be blocked by our security scanning due to unusual activity detected on your account or IP address used to make purchase, example, usage of multiple accounts. Why can't I check out? Common payment issues may occur during checkout. Find the possible reason why you can't check out your item and tips on what to do below. I can't check out, it says, sorry, something went wrong on your order. Please contact customer service. You may be receiving this error due to your account being blacklisted. The possible reasons for us blacklisting your account is as follows. Inconsistencies with the billing, shipping address, payment issues, voucher or promo abuse, reseller activity, breach of an obligation under the customer contract. I'm getting a "you violated terms and conditions" error message. We suggest you try the following to be able to successfully check out. 1. Reduce the quantity of the items in your cart. 2. Order the similar item from a different seller. 3. Wait at least 24 hours to check out the order. 4. Remove any vouchers applied then check out. Please note that Lazada may restrict accesses in accounts that are found in to be violation with our terms and conditions. Activities that are not permitted in our platform include, but are not limited to the following: voucher or promotion abuse, inconsistencies with the billing or shipping address, payment issues, reseller activity, breach of an obligation under the customer contract. Why can't I use the full amount in my wallet for my order? You may be using Lazada wallet rebates to purchase digital goods. Please note that Lazada wallet rebates are not allowed to be used when purchasing digital goods. Please choose a different payment method. Why do I get a message saying my voucher is invalid during checkout? Your voucher may be invalid for the following reasons. Your voucher has expired. Your purchase did not meet the minimum spend required for the voucher. You enter the wrong code only for code vouchers at the checkout page.
Solution. Kung ikaw ay legit new user, iwasan ang paggamit ng detected na referral link o referral code. Kung ikaw naman ay hindi na new user at nagbabalak na gumawa ulit ng bagong account, siguraduhing bago ang Gmail, Facebook o mobile number na iyong ilalagay sa pag-sign up. Suggest ko na i-reformat mo ang iyong phone para siguradong hindi ma-detect ng Lazada. Huwag mong kalimutan na i-backup ang mga importanteng files. Optional. Maaari mo ring baguhin ang mga info o data na iyong ilalagay sa Lazada kagaya ng mga sumusunod.
1. Identity data, such as your name, gender, profile picture, and date of birth. 2. Contact data, such as billing address, delivery address, email address and phone numbers. 3. Biometric data, such as voice files when you use our voice search function, and facial and other bodily features and voice of yourself and/or another person featured in your video when you upload videos onto the platform. 4. Account data, such as bank account details, bank statements, credit card details and payment details. Such account data may also be collected directly by our affiliates and/or third-party payment service providers. 5. Transaction data, such as details about orders and payments, and other details of products and services related to you. 6. Technical data, such as Internet Protocol, IP, address, your login data, browser type and version, time zone setting and location, browser plugin types and versions, operating system and platform, international mobile equipment identity, device identifier, IMEI, MAC address, cookies, where applicable, and other information and technology on the devices you use to access the platform. 7. Profile data, such as your username and password, orders related to you, your interests, preferences, feedback and survey responses.